Day running wheat, boys and girls. So far, done 16.8 acres, and the average about 49. So it's not doing as bad as everybody would figure for this time of year. I know I didn't get any footage of this, but it was a quick 40 acres. So yeah, there she all is. Straw on the ground and everything. 40.7 acres. Yield was right at 50, which compared to everything we've been hearing everywhere else, that's not bad. I mean, everybody else's yields around here have been doing 20 to 40. I've heard a couple of 60s, but yeah. So this be two semi-loads, two full semi-loads is what we got. So, and then the farmer here is going to buy all this for straw, and I think I'm going to be in on that too. So yeah, we'll dump up here on the truck real quick like, and then fold everything in and wait for my dad to show up. He's supposed to lead me back to the barn, and we'll go from there. Moisture's around 10-11%, so it ain't too bad.